Hi, amigos. I hope you're all doing well. I missed you. I hope you too missed me. And thanks so much to those people who kept texting me and asking where is the next story. So here we go. So Aimi was a young man rather, who was not very energetic, very hardworking and all that, but he had high goals and aims in life, which is to become rich fast without doing much work. So that's his high goal that he had for himself. He had set it for himself. And so he manages somehow to land on foreign shores. And once he landed on the foreign shores, he realized that he does not know the local language in which the people were communicating. So when he got this realization, he understood that now life is going to be a little tough. He was used to a life which is kind of lazy and indolent and blissful kind of. So Aimi was standing on this new foreign shore and he was watching people, the way they were greeting each other and the way they were talking, and he found that they were bending and bowing to each other and greeting each other. So when they were passing by. So he realized, okay, this must be the way that they greet. So he decided that when he wanted to greet anybody, he is going to bow in front of them. So as he was standing there after 2-3 hours, he started feeling hungry because he had not eaten much. And he started looking around to see if there is any place where he can see food being served. And he finds that people are going in groups. Huge numbers of people are going towards one particular structure, and there's a person standing in the entrance of the structure dressed very beautifully and grandly with a turban on his head and all that, and he's bowing down, and these people are acknowledging him and they're walking in, they're sailing into that particular place. So Aimi decides that this is the place where there is some sort of function happening and all the people in that particular locality are going in order to celebrate. And when he looks into that place through the glass doors, he can see that people are enjoying food. So now Aimi decides that this is a place where his hunger will be satiated. So he walks into that particular structure, and the person at the doorstep, as he had done for others, bows in front of him. And Aimi, in acknowledgement of that bow, bows in front of this particular person. And then he walks into that building and he settles down in a particular table and he looks at what others were eating, and there were some colorful items which caught his eyes. And when a person came to his table and asked him what it was, and he pointed out to the nearby tables and said he wants all that one. Through actions he managed to convey that. And this person who was there at this table waiting for him to tell what he wants bowed in front of him, and immediately Aimi got up and bowed to this person as well. So that person had question marks in his eyes, but still he went back and he brought the dishes that Aimi had pointed out. Aimi had a full stomach of very delicious food, and once that was done, this particular person came again and bowed and gave him a slip of paper. Aimi thought that he was telling you thank you for coming and honoring us with your presence, and that's what is written in that slip of paper, because it was written in the local language once again, and Aimi did not understand it, and so he did not know what was written, but he assumed that this is it. So he got up and he bowed in front of the other person. So this bowing happened for nearly 2-3 times, and then the person who served, his expression changed a little bit, and he walked towards another person who was seated near the entrance, and he was dressed in a much better manner than the person who had served food for our Aimi. So he goes to that person, and that person now walks down to Aimi and keeps talking to him something. But Aimi gives him a very blank look and instead gets up and bows in front of him. Aimi assumes that this particular person is going to talk to him and acknowledge his presence, and was very happy that he had come to this particular place and had food with them. So he smiles at him and keeps nodding, though he doesn't understand a single word of what that well-dressed man was talking to him. After a few minutes, the man realizes that Aimi is not able to understand what he's saying, so he holds him by hand and takes him out. So Aimi is feeling so happy that now he's become the guest of honor, and he's being taken by the main person of that building to be introduced might be to the others. This person walks him down to the next building, which looks like an imposing building, closed atmosphere, and all people are dressed very well, and there is very serious kind of talking, not the kind of talking which he had when they were eating. So he realizes that this is a group of very important individuals in this particular town, and now his host is taking him there to introduce him to them and to get him more honors. So Aimee is just floating over there, filled with pride, and the person seated on the chair above, a little elevated pedestal, he looks down and he tells something, and what he had told was that a donkey be brought in. So a donkey was brought and a garland is placed and makeup is applied on Aimee, and he's made to sit with his back turned towards the people, and he's taken on a ride through the town. So as he's seated on the donkey and he's going on the tour around the town, Aimee is happy. He's so blissful, and he's looking at people and nodding his head, and he's just going on that horse. And in the crowd, he happens to see a person who comes or who hails from his particular town. And this particular person is busy trying to catch Aimee's attention, but Aimee is so proud and does not acknowledge that person. So this known acquaintance of his catches up again after 5-10 minutes and asks him, "Do you know what is happening, Aimee?" Aimee looked at him and said, "You know, they're honoring me like this. I am the guest of honor. I'm the chief guest over here, and they're taking me around and displaying me as a guest." So then the person looked at him. "You do not understand what's happening. Actually, you had entered into a hotel and you were asked to pay the bill for the food that you ate. And when you refused that, the owner took you to the court. And in the court, the judges told that you should be put on top of a donkey and taken around the town as a disgrace to show the people that this person has done something wrong." So, amigos, actually we are that I and me, Aimee, okay? Me. We do not realize that most of the time when life gives us a lot of things, we think of it as an honor, and we are filled with pride, and we go in glory, not knowing that this is a ride on a donkey, because our purpose on being on this earth is something totally different, which is to ensure that the lives of those around us is in some way better just because of us. So if we are able to do that, we will not be in the situation where we think we are guest of honors sitting on a donkey having a joyride. So I want you, amigos, next time to look at everything that life gives you and decide whether you are actually being honored, or is it ignorance which is giving you this bliss of being honored. Thank you so much, amigos. I hope you like this. I hope this is again something that we will use in our life. Please do share, please do like, and do subscribe to my channel, and do hit the notification button so that every time that I post new video, you will immediately get notified. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful life.